Today we announce that Jamaica will begin its participation in the multinational security support mission with the deployment of personnel to Haiti to provide command, planning and logistics support.
You're fucking enough, Andrew Holness. You no fucking enough. We will take up the people in good boy pitney, the people in good husband, the people in good daughter, the people in good wife. I don't want to take up myself and send them to Haiti. Nothing wrong with helping with another country. Nothing wrong. But you're too fucking enough. And you see where you all your little people in my worship, you're going like you're God. I run come and say, oh, Lord Andrew alone. But the whole like politician them, none of them want to see better for Jamaica. None of them want to see crime cool down at Jamaica. That's a money making business for you, but no business about other people, other country crime rate. And for no out here, forget out of control. Go in a couple more years, I see me like 80, Jamaica go stay.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Joel Mugisha here, and if you happen to come to this channel for the first time, kindly do me a favor, subscribe, like this video, share, drop a comment, tell me what you think about this. Guys, on today's episode we are heading to Jamaica, and this is trending news today that Jamaica is actually sending troops to Haiti to help combat gang violence in Haiti. So let's jump into this video and then we're gonna come back and talk about this.
Today we announce that Jamaica will begin its participation in the multinational security support mission with the deployment of 24 personnel to Haiti to provide command, planning and logistics support. The deployment is comprised of 20 JDF personnel and 4 JCF personnel. The security forces continue in a state of readiness to support further deployment towards our overall commitment as the mission in Haiti is scaled up. That have made commitments have deployed all at once. It's not practical, it's not possible. Preparations have to be made in the host country, and so as those preparations are made, then and the possibility of scaling up happens, then we will on our side fulfill all our commitments. So this is a start to what we intend to do, and as the situation in Haiti is prepared for our presence, we will deploy.
So I don't have to tell you that, the Jamaican government is doing this on behalf of the US and the EU, right? Sending Jamaican police and soldiers to solve a problem that was caused by the US. It's the US and the EU that destabilize Haiti. Further proof again to show you who our political leaders answer to. Them answer to our oppressor. And if this oppressor wants Jamaica to send police and soldier over to Haiti to help oppress our brothers and sisters in Haiti, then our political leaders are happy to do it. I guess we in Jamaica don't have problems of our own. Apparently Jamaica is doing so well that now we should intervene in the national security of another country. So we now have a high crime rate, we now have poverty, and sufferation here in Jamaica. Jamaica by now should have learned from our very own mistake. It was this very oppressor that destabilized Jamaica during the 70s and 80s. And the same oppressor is the one that have Haiti in turmoil because they want Haiti's resources, and our political leaders are willing to help them. I guess there's not too much I can do when you're in debt to the IMF and the World Bank. You understand? America basically call the shots. The book of Ecclesiasticus chapter 12 and verse 17, and it said, if adversity come upon thee, thou shalt find him there first, and though he pretend to help thee, yet shall he undermine thee. That's talking about our oppressor, you understand? Claiming that they are sending and gathering troops to go over to Haiti to, solve the chaos in Haiti. But in fact, they are the ones that cause the chaos, and they are only trying to scrape the resources in Haiti, and our stupid leaders are willing to help. The Most High is letting you know that if any adversity come upon us, we should find this oppressor there first. He is the cause of any adversity that we face. You understand? And with that, follow this page where ISUPK Jamaica under commanding General Yohana.
This operation was actually in the works for some time, but it's now a reality and will see the soldiers and police officers from Jamaica working alongside Haiti's military and police to help fight gangs. As many of you would know, Haiti has been battling violent crimes and civil unrest for some time. And while some are applauding the Jamaican government for its humanitarian efforts, many Jamaicans are criticizing them, pointing out that violent crimes are rampant right at home.
Jamaica has close fraternal ties to the people of Haiti, and we stand in solidarity with them.
Our company come talk, when send police come blood clot lock we up, a man come intimidate we. 20 had murder go on one day. And you know, Ian Jones come on TV attack. A gang war them a Jamaica get out of control. You know, Ian Jones and the politician company attack. But no, you're fucking enough, Andrew Holness. You no fucking enough. You take up the people and good boy pitney, the people and good husband, the people and good daughter, the people and good wife. I don't want to take up yourself and send them go 80. Nothing wrong with helping with another country. Nothing wrong. But you're too fucking enough. And you see here, you want your little people them worship you, going like you're God. And run come and say, oh, Lord and Joe alone. The whole like politician them, none of them want to see better for Jamaica. None of them want to see crime cool on Jamaica. That's a money making business for you, but no business about other people, other country crime rate. And for no out here, forget out of control. Go in a couple more years, I see me like 80, Jamaica go stay. Why you not take up your picnic and you and the PMP and the whole of us pack up in our plane and go over there with gun go fight? You're too fucking enough. You're too enough. I will come here and talk when I send police come beat we. Because guess why people at Jamaica will not talk. Anything we do, we just sit down and take it. But that time for we to say enough is the fucking enough. We're tired of no. Why you not go on yet to go fight?
Breaking news, my people. JDF, the Jamaica Defense Force, is now preparing deployment to Haiti. Yeah, the soldier them go over there go do them thing. The headline is troops prepping for Haiti. JDF ready to deploy soldiers to trouble the CARICOM neighbor. Alright? Now the Jamaica Defense Force has started making preparations for a mission in Haiti amid ongoing situations in the French-speaking country capital Port-au-Prince. Multiple Gleaner sources has confirmed that the deployment is to take place in the coming weeks, though it is not clear whether it is from a part of a joint mission with CARICOM members of state. Alright, now on Wednesday, a number of JDF personnel underwent medicals said to be in preparation for the mission. Now one Gleaner source has confirmed, while a high-level meeting got underway amid senior military personnel at Upper Camp. It is a go, the Gleaner source says, but we haven't received a date. Now the development comes as Kenya prepares to lead a multinational force into CARICOM country, while with escalating situations between gangs and police fueling humanitarian crisis that has displaced tens of thousands of people. Alright, now last month 37 Asians landed in Portland after fleeing the anarchy in their homeland. The 28 adults among them were convicted of illegal entry and the group was set to be deported. However, the government has since received an asylum request, putting on hold on the plans for immediate removal. Now Kenya has announced that it will send 1,000 police officers, while the Bahamas on Tuesday pledged to send 150 people in support if the United Nations Security Council resolution put forward by the United States is approved. Now last night, Mertha Delume, founder and president of the Haiti Jamaica Society, expressed unease with any planned military intervention. They are saying it is not a good move. What Haiti needs is another disastrous military intervention, misguiding what it is as a humanitarian mission. The US and the UN, who have such a catastrophic track record in Haiti, are looking for political corner from CARICOM, Canada, Jamaica, Kenya, whoever they can get it from, for a military intervention. Yeah, no enough people would have say send them go on, send some police them too. That's what some of the people are, the sentiments that are being echoed across, people's opinions and minds, in Jamaica. You understand?
Yeah, man. So guys, you have seen these videos that I've compiled for you guys, and I have to say this has two sides of the coin, because the people of Haiti deserve support. They deserve to be supported in order to stabilize their country. And this thing that Jamaica is doing, that the PM, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, is doing, it's a good thing. It's really a good thing to support brothers in solidarity of Haiti and to help them stabilize their country. But as much as it's praisable what he's doing, many Jamaicans are actually criticizing this, because also there are violent crimes right at home. Why go stabilize another country when you have your own issues at home? Why not start at home? Guys, the saying, charity begins at home. And many Jamaicans are angry of PM Andrew Holness to send troops to Haiti when he has not actually resolved the issues at home. First of all, they are saying solve the gang crimes and the violence at home in Jamaica before you go try to stabilize another country. We know what Haiti has been going through for over the years, a lot of violence and crime there, and many countries have been trying to send troops in solidarity with Haiti, but it has not resulted to any solution. Because in Africa, one country that is the latest to actually try and send troops to Haiti to try and help is Kenya. Kenya has sent over 1,000 troops to Haiti from the beginning of this year, but still the issue in Haiti is not resolved yet. Now Jamaica is planning to send some more troops, and we have heard from the videos that even the Bahamas is trying to send more reinforcement. So guys, this is two sides of the coin. It's of course, everybody is entitled to their own opinion, and I feel the Jamaicans in their own countries, they have a right to feel angry, because there are also issues in Jamaica that needs to be stabilized, that needs to be resolved before you go try stabilize another country. So guys, let me know what you think about this, about Jamaica sending troops to Haiti in the comment section. And as always guys, please remember to subscribe, like the video, and share guys. So see you on the next episode.